Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to import a library and then perform some simple basic statistics, mean, mode, and median function. So once you know how to import, then sky's the limit. There are so many libraries available. You can get your hand dirty very well. So without further delay, let's get started. So first in order to import any library, you can just write import. And in today's, I want to import the statistics library. Oops. And this, now I need some data, so let's have some data. So I'll prepare some dummy list. So let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 100. Okay, and then press enter. Now if I want to have, I just simply write statistics. I can press the tab button and on the keyboard, and it will automatically fill the values for me, just as speed up tips. Press dot, and if I press the tab again, it will give me the list of functions, right? So for me, right, I want to do simply the mean, right, this function. So if I click enter, open the bracket and put data here, right? So I'm just also showing how the function works because I'm first time introducing a library. Press shift enter, and now it's giving me the statistics mean. Similarly, if I want to put the median, I'll type the tab keys. Actually, I'm pressing tab keys, right? So it will help to auto populate or autofill, and it will help once you are more into the programming. So is mean and median is same. Why? Because the data has purely central, normally distributed. So let's change it a little bit, bring some noise to the data. Let's make it 150, right? Okay, now if I come here, my mean is shifted, and for sure my median is shifted as well, right? So if I put minus, now it's better, right? So let's change something more to have some realistic data. Okay, so you see my mean is different, median is different, and my mode, if I want to, so that's, and similarly you can do the mode as well, right? So let's copy this. I don't think so I should have anything as mode because nothing is replicating, right? So mode is 10, is giving me mode as 10. Okay, so that's on this video. Let's do some more function. So if I want to do the let's do the standard deviation of this. So how much data is standard deviated? So I press standard deviation, press enter. So it's like 61 standard deviation. Wow, that's a huge, right? So if I want to compute the, let's say the geometric mean, so there are so many, you see, and press data and enter. Oops, so the geometric mean is not coming. So why? Because it's complaining that it should be only positive number, so we need to adjust that, so, or use the log. So that's why I want to show, but for the simplicity says I'm not here, I'm just giving the introduction. I'll enter this, change everything and enter, right? So this is giving me my geometric mean now, right? So to this data. Okay, so basically the in the more advanced level I can also show you how to use with the negative numbers. Maybe you can, there are multiple methods, whether you can use a logs or add a value first with +1 and on. But the main thing of this video is not to go very advanced level, since we are only in the initial phase. So to introduce how to import a library and try to introduce some function and some autofill by using the tab. So these are the keys, right, to here. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that smash that like button, subscribe, help me reach that 1,000 subscriber as soon as possible. I really appreciate that if you can subscribe and share this channel, and let me know if you want to cover anything more. Thanks and for watching. Bye for now.